Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to find an Instagram password and username. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile located in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines to access the settings and activities section. As you can see, there is no option available to see your username or password. Now close the Instagram app and go to your Gmail account. Here, tap on your profile from the top right corner. Next, select the option of Manage your Google account. Tap on Security from here. Scroll down till the end and you will see the option of Manage Passwords. Tap on it. In the Password Manager section, you will see your Instagram username and password if you have saved it previously. That's how you can find Instagram passwords and usernames. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.